it's Ilene here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to share with you a collaboration that I'm doing with Happymail Stamper. Before I get started, I just want to ask you to please subscribe to my channel and don't forget, hit that bell icon so you get notified every time I upload to YouTube. So Happymail Stamper is the YouTube channel name, and it's Joanne's channel, and this is also her collaboration. This is to create something that you would use or send for a Happy Mail. So it uploads every Saturday at noon, and this is my first time participating, and I'm so excited to show you. What I decided to do for this very first time I'm partaking in Joanne's challenge is to actually create something that I'm going to be swapping with somebody. This forced me to hurry on up and get my stuff in order to fulfill the swap and not be delayed. And the reason is because I am swapping an embellishment box with Houcks Heavenly Creations. So please guys, go and check Joanne's channel out and Houcks Heavenly Creations, because they will be linked down below, and they are super creative, super crafty. Actually, Joanne right now just got some little chickens and a bird coop, and it is so adorable. So if you guys like animals, you're gonna like those videos as well. So guys, here's the embellishment box that I made. This is for Houcks Heavenly Creations, and this is the perfect example of what I did on the front was I put some tulle, and under it you could see I have sequins and pearls, and there's some beads in here. And I love it. It's a little shaker. Nothing's gonna fall out. I don't advise super shaking it, but it's really cute. I really like how this came out. My first time making an embellishment box. So I trimmed around the tulle and used hot glue to attach the trim here. This is just basic ribbon. I think it's from Dollar Tree. And I added some bling with the butterfly, a gem, and you know, I did 2 and 2 as you see here. I also used these flower stickers at the top here. I just thought it looked cute, and these I got in Friends Mail. Now let's open the box up, and these are the goodies that I have. But first I'm just going to show you the inside cover. I covered up everything with a piece of my cardstock, added the stickers Enjoy, Relax, Love Every Day, some flat back pearls, and this cute umbrella, and it has a little smiley face inside. I put some red paper behind the hole. In the first box here, I just put in a bunch of miscellaneous charms and things that she could use. Over here is a bunch of little paper buttons. They fit just right, and I had gotten these in some Friends Mail, so that worked really well. Over here, I created some little flag banner paper clips. So that's how these guys came out. So I made 5 of these, and they fit just right. This is just a whole bunch of little sequins and some beads similar to the stuff in the shaker I put there. Now over here I made a few little mini envelopes, and what's cute is I put a little card in them, and these fit just perfect. So there's a little card and a little mini envelope, and I just thought these were really cute, so I made her a bunch that would fit in the little rectangle here. Here's a bunch of little key charms I got recently that I thought were cute and fit. These are some flower buttons that I had left over from a project, and I thought they fit and matched the theme. Over here are some die-cut little bows, and I thought these were really cute, and I just put some in on top of the little nail art that I had hauled a little bit ago, and these are cute little animals, so I thought you could embellish things with that. Down here I made her a bunch of little flower die cuts, and I left them plain so she could decorate. Same with these little envelopes. We're just going to skip right over to these die cuts, which is a bunch of purple butterflies. So I made a bunch of those. And now in this here, I made 2 larger bannered altered paper clips. This one I put a little heart and a gem, and this one just some pink flat back pearls. And if she wants, she could even take that stuff off and be able to reuse those flat back pearls. And then these are just some stick pins. This is good for paper crafting, journaling. So I just made these for her. I thought they were cute. And they're 2 smaller ones like that. And then, oh, actually I made 3 smaller ones. So just to show you what you do with the stick pins, this is one of my journals here, and you could just stick this in your fabric and it just looks really cute. And you could put it in your paper, stick it in an envelope, but that's just a little idea of how to use the stick pin. I made her 3 small stick pins with the beads and the pearls, and then I made her 4 of these with a little dangle, and these are good for paper crafting, junk journaling, and sticking them in pockets. Just cute for little embellishments. And that's the complete box. Those are the goodies. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed my embellishment box. It is an amazing piece of Happy Mail. I can't wait to ship this out and receive mine. And hope you guys enjoyed this. Please comment down below. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And hit that bell icon so you get notified every time I upload to YouTube. I'll see you soon. Bye.